noun. So students, you all are aware about noun means what? Noun is a place, name of a place, name of a person, name of a thing, or name of a animal. That we all are aware about it. Okay. So in this, you have learned about the apostrophe S. That is called as a possessive case of noun. So what we call that time, that it is a possessive case of noun. It is what? Possessive case of noun. So for the possessive case, it is for the singular and it is for the plural also. Okay. Now here girl become girls. See, but this possessive case, if you write this girl, if by mistakenly, if you have written girls, so the one girl becomes so many. And if you wanted to write about a girl, that it is a girls area. मतलब यहाँ पे सिर्फ और सिर्फ girl का area है. So that it is apostrophe S. So this is a possessive noun. This is what? Possessive noun. So this is apostrophe S. Okay. Now, and here also, this is a sari of my mother. This is a sari of my mother. If I said convert noun in a possessive case, so what you will, possessive noun means apostrophe S. So what you will write? This is my mother's sari. This is my mother's sari. It means that you all are showing it. आप बता रहे हो कि ये मेरी मम्मी की साड़ी है, किसी की भी साड़ी नहीं है ये. Okay, so it means that in possessive noun and pronoun, we choose the ownership of that particular thing. Okay, now the possessive noun, here there is an example of the possessive noun. See, possessive noun shows ownership. Possessive comes from the same root as a possession. Means that whatever the word is there, to that only we are supposed to give the ownership. Just like your dog. Dog's collar. Okay, so it means that you are going to talk about only one dog. So this is dog is your word, single noun, and apostrophe, you are going to show the ownership of that. Just like sister's backpack, car's engine. In apostrophe yes, we are going to talk about a singular. Okay, if the singular word ends with a, just like a bus, if I'll say make it in a possessive noun, तो ऐसा नहीं करना है. Be you already ऐसे तो booze. So what is mean by booze? No word. So you have to write a word as it is, give it apostrophe and write as. Okay, if there is a S is there, still you have to add it by doing this. This is a possessive case of the noun. Now, if it is a plural case, okay, if for the singular case, what you are supposed to write? For a singular one, you are supposed to add s. But if you are talking about a plural noun, plural है, वहां पे क्या था? Dog, dogs. In this word, we are talking about only one dog. If in your sentence it is their dog, and if you wanted to make it in a possessive case, put it as just dogs, and after s put this apostrophe sign. Okay, Fine. So this is what a possessive case. Possessive case of the noun. Now the next. Possessive noun. Which are the example of the possessive noun? Dog's house, book's word, means they here the words are in a singular book. Girl's doll, bird's cheeks, car's engine, sister's room, Jim's pen, my mom's bag. These are what the example of a possessive noun. It's a singular noun. If it comes to the plural, I told you na, you are a plural. The normally plural words end with s. So only you have to put one inverted comma up, and you are not supposed to write s. Just like a boy's ball, table's leg, girls' hands, women's bag, children's dolls, men's shoes. These are the example of a noun. We have learned about a possessive noun, and now it's time for the possessive pronoun. Okay, so possessive pronoun. Okay, so possessive pronoun is a pronoun that indicate a possession. Means instead of a possessive noun, we use a pronoun that is a possessive pronoun. Here the example is given. This is my pen. My pen. So my pen become mine. So my pen become mine. So mine is your possessive pronoun. And your pen become yours. Your pen become yours. So these are the best example of a possessive pronoun. Okay. So this is now my pen. बता रहे हो तो my pen it become, this is mine. And your pen become yours. Okay. The next here I'll give you the money was really theirs for taking. So theirs is your possessive pronoun. We shall finally have what rightful ours. मतलब जहां कहीं पे भी sentence में you feel that you are showing your position, that you are showing your position, that word is a possessive pronoun. So here ours is also possessive pronoun. Their mother gets, their mother gets along well with yours. So यहाँ पे yours is what? Example of a possessive pronoun. अगर possessive pronoun का अगर तुम्हें possessive noun में करना है, so nothing, yours become your. This mother gets along well with your wish. What's mine is yours, my friend. What's my is yours? No, it is my friend. So here what's, it is your possessive noun, and mine is your possessive pronoun. Okay. Now the next. The dog is mine, the cat is yours, the ring is hers, the bag is theirs. So all these words are example of possessive pronoun. Okay. So I guess students, here the idea get clear about the what is an example of a possessive pronoun. Okay. Now here again I'll explain you student what is mean a pronoun. Possessive pronoun is a pronoun that used to indicate possession or ownership. Students, write down in your book. I'll give you only 1 minute. example of a possessive noun case and a same word with a possessive pronoun case. Okay, so here they have given Jane take pride of Jane's outfit. Okay, it's a Jane's outfit. Miss Jane is taking the pride of her outfit. मतलब हम लोग उनके बारे में बता रहे कि that she is enjoying her outfit. Now you have to convert in a possessive case that Jane take pride in her outfit. In her outfit. So her is your possessive pronoun that we are showing that it's her. वो उसका है. You are showing the ownership of that outfit. Then the second question. Those are my Converse sneaker. They are not your Converse sneaker. So as per sentence, Converse seeker is a noun. We are going to write once. For the another one, we are going to write a pronoun. So what will come? They are not yours. They are not yours. They are not yours. Okay. Now the next. I didn't have my textbook. I didn't have my textbook for English class. So Brian lent me his textbook. ये सेंटेंस है. आपको इसमें किस को कन्वर्ट करना है? In possessive pronoun that I didn't have my textbook for English class. So Brian lent me his textbook. मतलब मुझे उसने उसका दे दिया. It means here you are showing the ownership of the textbook. Same here. Your travel plans sound just as exciting as my travel plan. Wherever it is mine, so that possessive noun become mine. Possessive noun become mine. So your means wherever you see, if you use yours, mine, hers, okay. So that is an also example of your possessive pronoun. Okay. Now this question, one more example of this, that his painting were very colorful, but I like her painting better. So here we are going to talk about a one person. So means the sentence is that his paintings were very beautiful, but I liked hers painting better. Now here I'll ask question to the Rudra. Rudra.
Yes, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Read this sentence.
His paintings were very colorful, but I liked hers painting better.
Hers painting better. So what is wrong in this sentence?
Hers, ma'am.
Okay. Hers is wrong. Why hers is wrong?
Because it should not be like this S.
S should not be there. So only her is required.
Yes.
Because hers is not a plural word. Okay. So miss here her is the wrong and on hers is wrong and only her will come. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. That's like a good boy. Mute yourself.
Thank you, ma'am.